In this video, I will show you how to fix no audio on LG monitor if it has no audio. Look up your monitor's model number and verify if it has built-in speakers. Many LG monitors do not have built-in speakers, but they may have a headphone or audio jack for external speaker. Check the back of your monitor. If you see an audio jack, plug in external speaker or headphones to hear the sound. Right-click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Click Sound Settings on Windows 11 or open Sound Settings on Windows 10. Under Output Device, click the drop-down menu. Select your LG monitor if it has built-in speaker or your external speakers. Adjust the volume level and test the sound. If you are using HDMI or DisplayPort, make sure the monitor supports audio through these connections. Go to Sound Settings and select the correct HDMI DisplayPort output. If there is still no sound, try a different HDMI cable or port. If your monitor does not have built-in speakers, use the PC's default HD audio output instead. Connect your external speaker or headphone directly to your PC's audio jack or motherboard. Select the appropriate audio output from the Sound Settings menu. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio issue on your LG monitor. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.